Hi everybody, I'm sorry, let's do that again. Hi everybody, I'm Shannon. I work at Home Rehab Network, where we give you tips and tricks. Today's tip, a heat and moisture exchanger, homemade one. Simply take a scarf, preferably a thin one or a knit one, and wrap it around your nose and your mouth. It helps to keep the heat and the moisture inside of your lungs that can prevent wheezing or any other respiratory issues during the cold. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to follow us for any more tips and tricks.